Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hani. I'm the intern from Oncology Gynecology Division, Department of Obstetric and Gynecology, Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Indonesia. Now, I will present my poster with the title, Don't Have Colposcopy, Use Your Phone Camera. First, I will present the introduction. Cervical cancer is the most common malignancy disease in women in the second position after breast cancer. Cervical cancer can be prevented by performing VIA or another screening like pap smear or HPV DNA test. And also in Indonesia, VIA examination is equipped with documentation of VIA, such as colposcopy. But in Indonesia, the colposcopy is very limited and expensive. So, one simple way to document the cervix and not inferior to colposcopy is documentation of VIA, or we call DUVIA. In the material and method, we include 28 participants to conduct cervical cancer early detection training with the VIA method in March 2021 in Banda Aceh. And the trainees are trained to take cervical documentation with a phone camera. And the result documentation, they send to WhatsApp group, and then before and after training, they give or they send the documentation of VIA first. The trainee are sent the documentation of dummy cervix. This is the picture before training, and the trainees, some trainees are very difficult to capture the documentation, but some other trainees, they give the documentation with very good result. And then the documentation of the VIA or cervix, this is after training, they send into WhatsApp group before VIA and after VIA. And then they take the picture with phone camera. The result of the 28 trainees, 24 participants can take cervical documentation with the phone camera on cervical dummy very well. Furthermore, 26 participants can take cervical documentation with a phone camera on 30 patients before and after VIA examination in obtaining excellent result. And the conclusion, taking documentation of VIA or DUVIA with phone camera can be used as an alternative to documenting the cervix if colposcopy is not available. So, this is my poster. We don't have colposcopy, you can use your own phone camera. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.